In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of having no sound while playing your Steam games. We know how frustrating it can be when you're all set to immerse yourself in a gaming session, only to find that your game is silent. But don't worry, we'll guide you through some straightforward steps to help you resolve this issue in just 5 minutes. To start, open your Steam application. Once it's up and running, click on the login option. If you haven't already saved your login information, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Go ahead and do this now and click on sign in. Once you're signed into your account, you'll be on your Steam homepage. Here, navigate over to your library and select the game that is giving you sound troubles. Right click on the game title in the list and then choose properties from the drop down menu. In the properties window, look for the section titled installed files. You'll find an option that says verify integrity of game files. Click on this. What this does is check all your game files to ensure none are corrupted or missing. Sometimes if a file isn't just right, it can cause audio issues among other problems. If verifying the integrity of the game files doesn't solve the sound issue, don't worry, there's still more we can try. Next, you'll want to open your task manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard, which should bring it right up. Once you're in the task manager, find Steam in the list of processes, right click it and select End Task. This will fully close the Steam application. Now to restart Steam properly, go to your Windows search bar, just type Steam and it should appear. Right click on the Steam icon and choose Open File Location. This will lead you to the folder where Steam is installed. In this folder, right click on Steam again and this time choose Properties. In the Properties window, switch over to the Compatibility tab. Here you'll see an option to run this program as an administrator. Make sure this box is checked. Running the program as an administrator can often resolve permission issues that might be blocking sound. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Now you can go ahead and open Steam again from your desktop or start menu and launch the game to see if the sound is back. This thorough approach should hopefully get you back into your game, complete with sound, without too much fuss. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.